Imagine a world where farms no longer rely solely on human intuition or luck, where fields are monitored by drones scanning every leaf for disease, where self-driving tractors plow, plant, and harvest without a single person in the driver's seat. Now imagine a farmer checking their phone, not the weather, but real-time data from an AI system predicting exactly when to plant, how much water to use, and which crops will yield the highest profit. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is quietly transforming one of humanity's oldest professions, turning traditional farming into a high-tech operation powered by data, precision, and automation. But here's the question: can AI help us feed a growing global population without destroying the planet in the process? Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing agriculture. By 2050, the world's population is expected to reach nearly 10 billion. That means we'll need to produce up to 70% more food than we do today, while using less land, less water, and fewer resources. Traditional farming methods simply can't keep up. Droughts, soil depletion, pests, and unpredictable weather are all growing challenges. That's where AI steps in. By combining sensors, drones, satellites, and machine learning, AI is giving farmers superhuman insight into every inch of their land. Precision farming is the backbone of AI-powered agriculture. Instead of treating every acre the same, AI analyzes data from satellites, soil sensors, and weather models to understand exactly what each section of a field needs. AI irrigation systems predict when crops need water, reducing waste and improving yield. AI pest control identifies and targets problem areas before infestations spread. AI fertilizer models determine the perfect amount of nutrients for each plant, avoiding overuse that harms the environment. The result? Higher productivity, lower costs, and more sustainable farming. Forget manual tractors. Today's machines can drive themselves. AI-guided tractors and harvesters use GPS, computer vision, and sensors to navigate fields with centimeter accuracy. They can detect weeds, plant seeds, and harvest crops, all autonomously. Robotic arms pick delicate fruits without bruising them. Drones equipped with AI cameras survey vast areas in minutes, detecting early signs of disease or drought invisible to the human eye. This isn't about replacing farmers, it's about empowering them to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. In traditional farming, discovering a problem often meant it was already too late. AI changes that. Machine learning models process images from satellites and drones to identify subtle signs of crop stress, like color changes that indicate nutrient deficiencies or pest attacks. Farmers receive alerts instantly, allowing them to act before damage spreads. This real-time decision-making is reducing losses and helping secure food supplies for millions. But here's the surprising twist. What happens when AI becomes so advanced, it starts making farming decisions on its own? Stick around, because that future may already be taking root. In some regions, AI systems already determine when to plant, irrigate, and harvest without direct human command. These systems integrate weather forecasts, soil chemistry, and market data to make optimized decisions. Over time, they even learn from mistakes, improving yields season after season. For the first time in history, machines aren't just helping farmers, they're thinking like them. This level of autonomy could revolutionize agriculture, but it also raises concerns. If we let algorithms control food production, who ensures those systems act in humanity's best interest? AI doesn't stop at the farm. Once crops are harvested, AI streamlines distribution. It forecasts demand, manages storage, and predicts transportation routes to minimize waste. Grocery chains use AI to track freshness, while food delivery networks use algorithms to reduce spoilage. AI is transforming agriculture into a full-circle, data-driven ecosystem, from seed to supermarket shelf. AI also plays a major role in fighting climate change. It helps farmers reduce fertilizer runoff, cut methane emissions, and conserve water. AI climate models predict weather extremes, helping farmers adapt instead of react. By optimizing every step of food production, AI has the potential to make agriculture not just more efficient, but more sustainable. This could be humanity's best shot at feeding billions without destroying the earth. But like all powerful tools, AI in agriculture comes with risks. Data ownership. Who controls the massive amounts of farming data collected by AI systems, farmers or corporations? Accessibility. Will small, rural farmers be left behind if they can't afford advanced technology? Job displacement. Automation might reduce the need for manual labor, impacting millions of workers worldwide. The key is balance, using AI to empower farmers, not replace them. In the future, expect fully autonomous farms, operating day and night, guided by AI systems that adapt to soil, climate, and market needs in real time. Vertical farms powered by AI could grow crops in urban skyscrapers, while gene-editing algorithms may help design crops resistant to drought or disease. Farming will become less about tradition and more about technology. But as we hand more control to machines, we'll need to ensure that food remains a human value, not just a mathematical outcome. AI is revolutionizing agriculture, turning centuries-old practices into precision science. It's giving farmers new power to feed the planet, protect the environment, and shape a sustainable future. But like every revolution, it comes with responsibility. The real challenge isn't just growing more food, it's growing it wisely. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of AI. And in our next video, we'll explore one of the most critical frontiers of all, the role of AI in cybersecurity. From detecting cyber attacks to defending global infrastructure, we'll reveal how AI is becoming the world's digital guardian and potential threat.